The highly awaited DJI Air 3 drone has made a splash in the headlines, with leaked photographs removing any concerns regarding his aesthetic style. Despite DJI's silence on the release and the lack of official teasers, new information about the impending drone continues to emerge on the internet. These multiple leaks demonstrate everything that the DJI Air 3 will offer. We'll go through everything we know so far regarding the forthcoming DJI Air 3 in this video. So, without further ado, let us begin. Recently, an online leaker provided a glimpse into the retail package of the highly anticipated DJI Air 3. The leaked image shared on Twitter by renowned leaker Deals Drone offers a sneak peek at the upcoming DJI Air 3 Fly More combo. This special package will include the brand new DJI C2 remote controller, adding to the anticipation surrounding the drone's release. From this glimpse, it becomes evident that the DJI Air 3 draws inspiration from its successful predecessors. With the sleek and aerodynamic appearance, it bears a striking resemblance to a downsized version of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Notable features of this upcoming drone include a dual-camera configuration and comprehensive obstacle avoidance sensors, ensuring all-around protection during flights. True to DJI's distinctive design language, the Air 3 will be released in the timeless and sophisticated shade of classic grey. Again, a tweet by Deals Drones featured a close-up shot highlighting the impressive dual-camera setup of the yet-to-be-released drone. The DJI Air 3 is set to impress with its wide-ranging photography capabilities, sporting a 24mm equivalent wide-angle lens, boasting an f1.7 aperture, and a 70mm equivalent intelligence featuring an f2.8 aperture. While the exact sensor size of these cameras remain undisclosed, this exciting revelation has sparked a wave of anticipation among avid drone photographers. Also, speculation suggested that it will include a 1-inch wide-angle camera and 3x or 7x camera on top. Adding to the excitement, renowned DJI leaker Jasper Ellens has provided additional intriguing details about the DJI Air 3. Ellens tantalizingly hinted at the possibility of an upgraded battery charger being included in the Fly More combo, which have the remarkable capability to simultaneously charge multiple batteries. This potential addition will eliminate the need for external charging accessories, offering convenience to drone enthusiasts. Moreover, Ellens speculates that the Air 3 will post a brand new O4 transmission system. The presence of two new antennas on the DJI C2 remote controllers suggests the adoption of this cutting-edge system. If Ellens' speculation proves accurate, the inclusion of the O4 transmission system in the DJI Air 3 could herald improved video transmission quality, potentially featuring an extended range, higher pitch rates, and reduced latency, promising an enhanced aerial experience for users. Furthermore, recently unveiled FCC filings shed light on an exciting detail about the DJI Air 3. The drone will come equipped with the battery boasting a remarkable capacity upgrade, clocking in at 4,241 mAh. This battery offers approximately 20 more power compared to the intelligent flight battery found in its predecessor, the DJI Air 2S. While a portion of this in-house power will be utilized to handle higher image quality processing, the result is an anticipated substantial increase in the drone's flight time. This promising development is set to provide users with extended and immersive flying experiences. In conclusion, the leaked information about the upcoming DJI Air 3 has generated significant excitement among drone enthusiasts and photographers. With its sleek design, dual-camera setup, and comprehensive obstacle avoidance sensors, the Air 3 promises to deliver an enhanced aerial experience. The increased battery capacity also hints at an extended flight time, allowing users to enjoy longer and more immersive flights. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.